Move-in ready 2/2/2 Oakmont floor plan with brand new Samsung stainless steel appliances. Neutral colors throughout. Offers vaulted ceilings and enclosed Florida room opens to living space. You will love the private backyard view. Newer tiled floors, updated chandelier and inside laundry room with added storage. Ensuite has 2 large walk-in closets, dual sink vanity, linen closet and step-in shower. Second bedroom has a huge walk-in closet large enough for an office. 2-car garage. Nature's Glen Village has its own swimming pool. Turnkey with furnishing sold separate of transaction.